Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A 9-month-long police investigation has resulted in the arrest of several members of the St. Catherine-based Clansman gang. Those detained are believed to be members of the faction of the gang aligned with the incarcerated Tesha Miller. DCP Bailey gave the update on a major anti-gang operation at a press briefing at the Criminal Investigation Branch in Kingston. He says the investigation has linked the Clansman gang to at least 800 murders since 2014. My viewers and subscribers, on taking that clip here with Fitz Bailey. Hear this.
2023, a joint task force conducted a major anti-gang operation at several locations within the parish of St. Catherine, during which members of the vicious Clans gang were taken into custody. During this operation, Human McFarlane, OC Max, aged 29 years old, laborer of Leslie Plain, St. Catherine, challenged the security forces and was fatally shot, and 3 firearms recovered along with a quantity of ammunition. In addition, a motor vehicle, cash, luxury items, and name brand clothing estimated to value about $3 million were also seized at a location in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. Today's operation culminated a 9-month-long investigation led by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Branch, Shqck, which resulted in a series of arrests over the period. To date, 31 members of the gangs have been taken into custody. These persons arrested are being held for several offenses, which include murders and shootings. This particular investigation focused on the section of the gang under the direction of the incarcerated leader, Tesha Miller, OC Hombre of De La Vega City, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This operation was supported by other internal and external stakeholders to include the Major Investigation Division, St. Catherine North and South Divisions, the Proactive Investigative Unit, the St. Catherine Scenes of Crime Unit, the National Intelligence Bureau, Specialized Operation Branch, Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, and of course, our law enforcement partners, the Jamaica Defense Force. Throughout the investigative process, the team worked in collaboration with the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution. Notably, our investigation has linked the Clans gang to at least 800 murders since 2014. In 2018, gangs accounted for 80% of the murders committed within our country. This year, it accounted for 67% of the murder recorded. It is evident that our anti-gang strategy is working. And I believe that we will continue this effort, and step by step, we will ensure that Jamaica is safer as we bring it to the gangs. I must pause to say that I am of the view that our counter-gang initiative is working. As when you look at the attribution from over 80% to 67% or thereabout, is a manifestation that the effort is working. The Clans Gang is currently listed among the top 5 criminal organizations operating in Jamaica. Most of its operations were carried out in Spanish Town and its environs. It also has influence in bordering parishes to include Clarendon, Manchester, St. Ann, St. James, and Kingston. The JCF will continue its focus on disrupting criminal organizations wherever they are identified. We will use our skills, competencies, and technologies in our quest to create a secure environment for the citizens of Jamaica.
So my viewers and subscribers, wanna hear what go on. Alright. So wanna tell me what you think about that. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Head of the Crime Portfolio, Deputy Commissioner of Police, DCP Fix Bailey, says he is satisfied with the pace at which the investigation into the death of Melissa Salvera is progressing. Mistress Salvera, the wife of former People's National Party Member of Parliament Jolan Salvera, died on November the 10th. Initial report says she passed away in her sleep, but the police later revealed that a murder investigation had been launched into her death. When asked by reporters for an update at a press briefing in Kingston yesterday, DCP Bailey was tight-lipped about the matter. He revealed, however, that the case was progressing at a satisfactory rate. So I want to hear that, my viewers and subscribers. Okay, so I'm just make you know what is actually going on in this lady death, because I did cover it. You understand? So when I see it in the article, I just make you know what I go on. So the people, boy, it rough. If I tell you the truth, it really rough. If you see the way how she die, it must be hard for the family. It must be hard. I just want to say rest in peace to that lady, and my condolence goes out to the family.
The world in which we live in gives far more opportunities for the promotion of violent speech. So really what I'm targeting and what I would want us to talk about is not necessarily hate speech as the Europeans may have used it in their jurisdiction, or other people may have tried to use it in their jurisdiction, for our problems that we have. And that's what I want us to focus on. You know, we tend to drag ourselves into other people's issues. Focus on what is the issue here in Jamaica, and that is the use of violent speech. You would have heard me throw something out into the public domain. I threw it out into the atmosphere with the clear caveat that this is just a thought. And of course, I've been asked to clarify what you have said. And again, a part of the challenge. One would have thought that the immediate understanding would be this is necessary for the level of violence in the society. But that's not what is or has captured the concern of some people. In other words, violence has become so accepted and normalized that, you know, there are other things that are more important than the level of violence in the society. And I find that to be sad. Now, it may not necessarily be legislation, but it may be a concerted program of public education to educate particularly our parents about how they speak to their children. Because, I cannot understand it why some parents would want to use such, let's forget about the corporal punishment for a bit, but just the use of violent terms to their children. It's as if we're teaching them to normalize violence.
All right, my viewers and subscribers. So now hear Andrew Owens him. All right. Andrew Owens things say we are fool. Remember, you see the hate speech law, it used in different countries. Yeah? Alongside the LGB, whatever, the rainbow people them. Yeah? It used for that. So when I hear him talk about, him a bringing the hate speech law, because remember, me telling you, say, we already have discrimination and all these things already in the Constitution. So with this, what Andrew Owens bringing the hate speech law, it has to cover the Samoa Agreement. Some people are say, Samoa Agreement is different from whatever. Oh, no, get it. Andrew Owens signed the Samoa Agreement. Yeah? So you have to bring in a hate speech law so it can back up, it can back up the rainbow people them. You understand? This is what it's really about. Remember, the hate speech law all over the world, in different countries, is used for protection towards the rainbow people them. So you hear me talk about we the people, yeah, for come out of other country business. When I hear me in the other country business, I hear my sign agreement with other countries, not us. You understand? So right there, so Andrew Honest does a try to clarify, because through the bishop them come out, the churches then come out and say if you break it down and explain what hate speech law mean. So he might try to come out now and clarify. Yeah, try. He might try. He attempt to, but he never clarify nothing at all. Andrew Honest step with the idiot. What is the meaning of this hate speech law? Break it down, make we know. Break it down. Because how after sudden, when you're gonna sign some more agreement, yeah, then you come back and say you're gonna put in hate speech law. What is the reason for this hate speech law? And I like say we not have discrimination and all these things already in the Constitution. We have all those things. So what's the real facts about it? You must explain to us properly, Andrew Holness, but you are not doing that. We are not fool. So the hate speech law is used in different countries to back the LGBT whatever community. That is what it's used for. So where I try to tell me, say, I use it for different reasons, and then I come try blame parents. No, no blame no parents for nothing. I'm telling you this. No blame parents for nothing. Because a child can come from a good home, a good home, and come out and be a KILLA. Me telling you that. So nobody talk about what because parents, whatever. Hey, seven brothers, 7 different minds. You understand me? Some people say, oh, it's the way you grow. I don't really believe in that, say the way you grow. Because you see, an individual, a person have their own mind. And if a child means that them are going to do that, no matter how you grow them, them are going to be that type of person. So really and truly, I don't really blame the parents for that. But you have to blame them. You have to blame them, the pitney them, and them want to become who they want to become. But my viewers and subscribers, Andrew Holness does a try to find something. He does a try to say, oh, the reason why I'm bringing the hate speech law is because the way all the parents them talk. Rubbish. Andrew Holness know exactly why I'm bringing the hate speech law. Him are the one who got everybody country and I follow them, not we. So nobody can talk about we stop stick with nose in a people business. And you stop walk and travel and stick your nose in a people business and then bring you come to Jamaica, come do as you like. You think that we are idiot, Prime Minister? We are not fool around here. We know what the hate speech law is about. We know what make your one so different. When everybody follow the other country and do the same, what make your one so different? Actually, because you know so what you're doing is wrong. You know what you're doing is wrong, Andrew Holness. You need to stop tell lie and start talk truth. You need to stop tell lie, man. For God's sake, come on. A lying lip is abomination to the Lord. You don't know that? But anyway, you don't know still. You don't care because you're the devil's heart. You are. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me how you feel about this and what you think about it. Put your honest opinion in the comment section. Like and share out the video, guys, and remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on a nice clean self. I'm out. My viewers and subscribers.